एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज श्वेता। आज मैं आप लोग के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ ये तीज फेस्टिव मेकअप लुक। आप इसको वेडिंग गेस्ट मेकअप लुक के तरह भी ले सकते हैं। ये मेकअप लुक बहुत ही सिंपल येट बहुत ही क्लासी है। इसको करने में कुछ ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा, बहुत ही सिंपल मेकअप है ये। तो ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट ना करते हुए लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सबसे पहले यहाँ पे मैंने अपने फेस को मॉइस्चराइज़र कर लिया है और अब मैं यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर रही हूँ प्राइमर। एज यू ऑल नो, प्राइमर इज़ मस्ट फॉर आवर स्किन बिकॉज इट गिव्स स्मूथनेस टू आवर स्किन एंड मेक्स आवर मेकअप more flawless. So primer is very much important. Please don't skip that step. Apply this all over your face very gently as it fill out your pores of your face. Now I'm using here orange color corrector to correct my face. As you all know, I have dark circles. I have pigmentation nearby my lips area. So I will apply all over my face where I have dark circles and pigmentations. Now I will blend this with my finger. Blending is very important. If you will not blend this color corrector, then it will move out with your foundation or concealer, whatever will you apply. So blending is important, and you can blend with brush also. Now I am applying compact on it so that it will not move with our foundation, because if you will not pack it, it will move with your foundation and it will spread all over your face. Now I will take this Swiss Beauty Pearl Illuminator and I will take the Wet n Wild foundation in the shade Golden Beach and I will mix it together on my back of the hand and apply it all over my face. Illuminator is used to bring a glow on your face, or you can say to bring glow on your makeup base. It include little shimmery product something, so it will make your face little more glowy, a little more in shyness. So I'm adding this in my foundation. I am applying this foundation all over my face using my hands. You can use brush also, but I prefer hands, sorry, not hands, finger. Hands is like I am applying foundation on my face with my both hands. No, not hands, it is finger. I am applying here with finger. You can use brush also, but I prefer finger. Now I am using here beauty blender to blend my whole foundation, and my beauty blender is damp. Damp beauty blender makes blending very smooth and very easy, and it makes your foundation long lasting. So always use damp beauty blender, do not use dry beauty blender. Always blend your foundation using dabbing motion. Don't drag your foundation with your blender because it will move from your skin from one place to another and it will result in very messy makeup base. It will not look very flawless. So always use dabbing motion to blend your foundation or anything like concealer or your contour, anything. So I am done with foundation, as you all can see. Now I am taking the Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 05. I will apply this concealer on the higher areas of my face like cheekbone, nose, cupid, forehead. बिकॉज इसको अप्लाई करने से हमारे जो फेस के जो एरियाज़ होते हैं जहाँ पे हम इसको अप्लाई करते हैं वो पॉप आउट होते हैं, वो उभर के आते हैं। जब उन पे लाइट पड़ती है, रिफ्लेक्ट होता है, तो वो और ज़्यादा ग्लो करता है और ज़्यादा ब्राइट दिखता है, जिससे हमारा फेस जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लगता है. Now I will blend this using the same blender which I used for foundation. This is the damp blender, and as you can see, I started from the bottom of my face. I will not blend my cheekbone area first, because if I will blend my cheekbone area first, then it will start creasing. You have to pack it immediately after blending, so that's why I will blend this area at last, so that immediately after blending I will pack this area with my loose powder or compact powder, and after that I will pack my entire area where I have used the concealer. I am done with my concealer and I have packed my concealer also. Now I will contour my face by using the contour stick from NY Bay. कॉन्टोर हम अपने फेस को स्लिम दिखाने के लिए करते हैं। अगर आपका फेस थोड़ा मोटा है तो हम कॉन्टोर से अपने फेस पे एक शेडो क्रिएट करते हैं जिससे हमारा फेस स्लिम लगता है। जैसे मैं यहाँ पे अगर चीक बोन पे अप्लाई कर रही हूँ तो मेरे चीक बोन पे एक शेडो क्रिएट होगी, यहाँ पे एक कट नज़र आएगा जिससे मेरा चीक बोन बहुत शार्प लगेगा। इफ़ यू हैव अ डबल चिन, अगर आपकी डबल चिन है तो आप वहाँ भी अपने जॉ लाइन पे डबल चिन है अगर आपके, तो आप वहाँ भी कॉन्टोर कर सकते हैं जिससे आपकी डबल चिन है वो गायब लगती है, वो इट लुक्स लाइक कि आपकी डबल चिन नहीं है। एंड आप देख सकते हैं जैसे मेरा फोरहेड यहाँ पे बड़ा है तो मैं फोरहेड को कॉन्टोर कर रही हूँ जिससे मेरा फोरहेड जो है वो थोड़ा छोटा लगेगा। एंड हम नोज़ को भी अपने नोज़ की शेप के अकॉर्डिंग जहाँ पे हमें ज़रूरत है वहाँ पे हम कॉन्टोर कर सकते हैं टू मेक इट लुक मोर, you can say, to make it look more sharper. I have already made the detailed video on how to contour your face. I will mention the link in the description below. You can check there. Now I am blending this with the same beauty blender, and as you can see, I am dabbing here. I am not dragging the blender. I am dabbing here and I am blending this in the upward direction. You have to blend this on up. You have to blend this towards your hairline so that it will look more blended towards your hairline. I am done with blending the contour. Now I am using this angular brush and I am packing my contour with the bronzer. You can you can pack your contour with the compact also if you don't want to apply the bronzer, but I am here applying bronzer, and as you all know bronzer apply करने का एक method होता है नंबर 3, उसका भी मैंने एक डिटेल वीडियो बनाया हुआ है तो मैं वो भी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन कर दूंगी, यू कैन चेक देयर। ब्रॉन्जिंग एड्स अ कलर टू योर फेस। आपका फेस जो है वो फाउंडेशन के बाद बहुत ही फ्लैट लुक देता है, तो ब्रॉन्ज़र जो है वो हमारे फेस पे कलर ऐड करता है जिससे हमारा फेस बहुत ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल लगता है। तो ब्रॉन्जिंग अगर आप अप्लाई करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा है। इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू अप्लाई ब्रॉन्ज़र देन यू कैन अप्लाई द कॉम्पैक्ट ऑन योर कॉन्टोर एरिया। Now I am taking this fluffy brush and I am using the Swiss Beauty Terracotta Blusher palette and I am applying the blusher on my apple of the cheeks. You have to blend your blusher with your bronzer very nicely so that there will be nothing harsh left. वहाँ पर कुछ भी harsh नहीं दिखना चाहिए, bronzer और blusher के बीच में कोई भी harsh line नज़र नहीं आनी चाहिए, तो आपको बहुत अच्छे से bronzer और blusher को blend करना है। I am done with my blusher. Now I will apply leftover color on my nose and my forehead area so that it will look more blended. I have done my eyebrows here off camera. Now I am applying concealer on my eyelid to even my skin tone. Concealer not only even your skin tone, it also works as a primer for your eyes and it makes blending very smooth and easy, and also it makes eyeshadow very long lasting. Apply it all over your eyes. I am here applying it with the brush. You can apply it with the finger also or with the concealer applicator which is available with the concealer. Applied on my eyes and zup, applied magically on my second eye also. Now we'll blend this with the beauty blender and using the same blender which is damp blender, and we'll pack it with the compact or loose powder. It is important to pack here also because if you will not pack it with the compact, it will start creasing, which will make blending very difficult. Now I am using this Swiss Beauty Intense Gel Kajal in the shade turquoise and I will apply this on my eyelid area. You have to apply this like you are applying a gel liner. You have to apply this very thick liner. You don't have to be accurate while applying this on your eyes. We just have to give color on our eyelid area. So that's why before applying eyeshadow, I am applying this kajal on my eyelid area. I have applied my kajal here, and as you all can see, this is not in a proper way. Now I will take this flat brush and I will take the green turquoise eyeshadow color from the eyeshadow palette, and you have to apply this eyeshadow on your area where you have applied your green kajal. You have to cover your full area with this eyeshadow. I have done with my eyeshadow. Now I am taking this small pencil brush and I'm taking this golden shade from the palette, this shimmery golden shade. Will take it in my brush and will dab off the excess and will apply this in the center of my eyelid area. I will blend this with the green shade which I have applied before. As you can see, I am blending this with the green shade. I am trying to give this a blended look, but uh, I am not able to get that color which I want, so I am applying here with the finger now. With the finger, I will just dab the area where I want to apply that golden shade. As you can see, I am just patting that area, and as you can see, the color is very pigmented now. And now you have to blend that green color and that golden shade with the brush. Now I will take the flat brush which I used for green shadow and will take the green color in it and will blend it with the golden shade so that it will look more blended and it will not look harsh. Now I will take the gel liner. This is Maybelline gel liner. You can take any gel liner, and this is I'm taking the liner brush and will apply it on my upper lash line. You have to apply a very thin line of the liner. You don't need to apply a very thick liner of the gel liner. Just apply a very thin line on your upper lash line. I am done with applying on my upper lash line. Now I will outline the whole my eyelid area where I have applied the green shadow. I will cover my whole eyeshadow by outlining with the black gel liner. Be very gentle while outlining your eyelid area with the gel liner. It should not look very harsh. It should look very smooth and soft. After outlining the area, blend your wing, spread your, sorry, not blend, spread your wing towards your eyebrow side so that it will look like a very catty eye. My daughter is playing behind me with my makeup. She spoils all my makeup. She's fond of makeup. Okay, now I'm applying a liner in my inner corner to make my eyes look more big. It will create the illusion that your eyes are big. Done with my eyeshadow on my first eyes, and whoop, done with my second eye also. Now I will apply the same gel liner on my lower lash line as a kajal. You can apply a kajal also, but I am applying here gel liner only because I love this because it doesn't smudge, it doesn't uh, spoil your eyes. Oops, I applied liner on my nose also. Okay, but I will fix it. Now I am taking this medium pencil brush and I am taking the same green eyeshadow which I used on my eyelid, and I will apply this on my lower lash line. You just don't have to apply and leave it. You have to blend it properly so that it will give a smoky look, smoky effect. And now we'll take the black eyeshadow and will apply on my outer corner only, not on my whole lower lash line. I will apply on my outer corner only. Now I'm curling my lashes. It is important to curl our lashes before applying mascara, because अगर हम इसको कर्ल नहीं करेंगे तो हमारी जो लैशेज़ होती हैं वो बहुत सोई सोई होती है, हमें उसको उठाना ज़रूरी होता है। एंड अगर हम उसको उठाएंगे नहीं तो जब जो हम फॉल्सेस अप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारी फॉल्सेस और हमारी लैशेज़ के बीच में एक डिफरेंस लगेगा, वो साफ दिखाएगा कि हमने कुछ अप्लाई किया हुआ है। एंड अगर हम उसको कर्ल करेंगे तो वो ऊपर की साइड हो जाती है, जिससे हमारी फॉल्सेस के साथ वो ब्लेंड हो जाती है। सो बातों बातों में मैंने यहाँ पे मस्कारा भी अप्लाई कर लिया है अपने आई लैशेस पर, और मैं यहाँ पे अपने लोअर लैशेस पर भी मस्कारा अप्लाई कर रही हूँ। एंड आई हैव अप्लाइड माई फॉल्सेस हेयर ऑफ कैमरा. Now I am on the favorite part of the makeup, that is highlighter. I am just fond of highlighter. I am here applying the golden shade highlighter and I am blending it in the round motion. Highlighter is used to highlight the higher areas of our face. So highlighter is applied on all the areas where we have applied concealer before. So on the cheekbone areas, nose, cupid, chin, on all the areas where we use concealer. I'm using the small flat brush to highlight my brow bone area and to highlight my inner corner. I am done with my favorite step, that is highlighting. Now I am left with the last step, that is lipstick. So I am using here the Maybelline New York Color Sensational in the shade 05 Chocoholic. I am first using here lip liner brush to lip line my lips. You can use lip pencil also, but I love using lipstick only if I don't have the same lip line pencil, because I don't like applying different lip line pencil if it doesn't matches my lipstick shade. So if you also don't like applying different shade of lip line, then you can use lipstick to lip line your lip line your lips with the brush. Done with my lip liner. Now will fill in my lips with the lipstick. You can use brush to fill in your lips, or you can apply directly with the lipstick also. So I'm using here directly lipstick to fill in my lips. And ta-da! Done with my makeup, and at last I will fix my makeup with the fixer spray. I will not fix this on my eyes, and I will leave it for 5 minutes to dry it out. सो गाइज आई एम डन हेयर विद माई हेयर स्टाइल. आज मैंने अपना हल्का सा पफ किया है क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ पे आज कर्ल्स किए हैं, और ये कर्ल्स मैंने नो हीट कर्ल्स किए हैं. मैंने इसमें कोई भी हीट यूज़ नहीं किया, बहुत ही नेचुरल तरीके से ये कर्ल्स किए हैं. अगर आपको इसका ट्यूटोरियल चाहिए देन डू टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. आई विल श्योरली मेक वन. एंड आई वॉर माई एसेसरीज ऑल्सो. सो अगर आपको ये मेरा ट्यूटोरियल पसंद आया हो, बहुत ही सिंपल मेकअप है ये. आप शादी पार्टीज में भी कर सकते हैं, फेस्टिवल पे भी कर सकते हैं. तो अगर आपको ये पसंद आया हो देन प्लीज डू लाइक एंड शेयर माय वीडियो, शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली. एंड अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं देन प्लीज डू कंसिडर सब्सक्राइबिंग. एंड अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर पहले से जुड़े हैं देन थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग मी एंड गिविंग मी योर लव एंड सपोर्ट. बाय बाय गाइज, सी यू इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन टेक केयर, लव यू.